Welcome back to the channel. Meet the 2026 ZEN Voyager, a minimalist Japanese-inspired motorhome designed for those who want more peace on the road and less clutter in their lives. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 ZEN Voyager immediately stands out through restraint. The design is clean and understated, with smooth, uninterrupted body lines and a low-profile silhouette that looks modern and elegant. The exterior color palette leans toward soft whites, muted grays, and subtle natural tones, avoiding loud graphics or oversized decals. Everything feels deliberate. Flush-mounted windows, seamless storage compartments, and hidden panel lines give the ZEN Voyager a refined and architectural appearance. This minimalist exterior isn't just about aesthetics either. The streamlined shape improves aerodynamics, reduces wind noise, and contributes to better fuel efficiency, making long drives noticeably more comfortable. Moving inside the 2026 ZEN Voyager is where the philosophy truly comes to life. The moment you step in, the space feels open, airy, and calming. Natural light pours in through large windows, instantly making the interior feel larger than it actually is. The use of light wood finishes, such as bamboo or oak, paired with warm white surfaces, creates a soft and welcoming environment. The floor often features natural-looking textures inspired by tatami mats, grounding the space and reinforcing that Japanese influence. There's a strong emphasis on negative space, meaning the interior never feels crowded or overwhelming. The main living area is built around low-profile modular seating inspired by traditional Japanese living spaces. During the day, it functions as a comfortable lounge or dining area, perfect for relaxing, reading, or enjoying tea while overlooking a scenic view. At night, the seating seamlessly converts into a flat sleeping platform that feels surprisingly spacious and comfortable. There are no bulky sofas or heavy furniture here. Everything is lightweight, functional, and easy to transform. Storage is cleverly hidden beneath seats, behind sliding wood panels, and within flush cabinetry that aligns perfectly with the walls. When everything is closed, the interior looks almost empty, creating a sense of calm that's rare in motorhomes. The kitchen in the 2026 ZEN Voyager follows the same minimalist approach. It's compact but extremely efficient, featuring an induction cooktop, a concealed sink, and a slim refrigerator designed to maximize space. Most of the kitchen components can be hidden behind sliding panels when not in use, keeping the visual environment clean and uncluttered. The bathroom is a modern wet bath with smooth, easy-to-clean surfaces, smart drainage, and high-quality fixtures that give it a spa-like feel despite the compact size. Lighting plays a major role in the ZEN Voyager's interior atmosphere. Instead of harsh overhead lights, the motorhome uses soft, indirect LED lighting integrated into ceiling channels and cabinetry. The warm color temperature creates a soothing mood in the evening, while daytime living heavily relies on natural light. The result is an interior that feels peaceful, balanced, and perfect for long stays or quiet nights off-grid. In terms of performance, the 2026 ZEN Voyager is built for smooth, stress-free travel. It's typically based on a reliable mid-size motorhome or van chassis, making it easier to drive than larger Class A motorhomes. Steering feels responsive, the suspension is tuned for comfort, and insulation helps keep road noise to a minimum. Powertrain options often focus on efficiency, including fuel-efficient diesel or hybrid setups, emphasizing long-range capability rather than raw speed. This motorhome is designed for scenic routes, slow travel, and extended journeys, not aggressive highway driving. Off-grid capability is another strong point. Solar panels, lithium battery systems, and efficient water management allow the ZEN Voyager to stay self-sufficient for extended periods. Energy consumption is kept low, aligning perfectly with the minimalist philosophy and making it ideal for remote camping or quiet nature retreats. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 ZEN Voyager sits in the mid to upper range of the motorhome market. Expect starting prices around $120,000, with fully customized or premium builds reaching closer to $160,000 or more. While it may not be the cheapest option, the value lies in craftsmanship, thoughtful design, and the lifestyle it offers rather than sheer size or luxury features. Overall, the 2026 ZEN Voyager is perfect for solo travelers or couples who value peace, simplicity, and intentional living. It's for those who want their motorhome to feel like a sanctuary, not just a vehicle. If you're tired of cluttered interiors and overstimulating designs, the ZEN Voyager offers something truly refreshing in the modern RV world. If you enjoyed this in-depth review of the 2026 ZEN Voyager, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments what you think about this minimalist, Zen-inspired motorhome.